In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with your team. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to sharpen your skills, we'll guide you through the basics to help you get started smoothly. First, let's begin by visiting Trello's homepage. Open up your web browser and type in trello.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard listing your boards and workspaces. This page is your command center to navigate through different projects. Next, click on your workspace. A workspace in Trello is essentially a collection of boards designed to keep your projects organized under a unified theme or team. Clicking on your workspace will bring up all the boards associated with it. Now navigate to the Boards section. This option is usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Once in the Boards section, you'll see all the boards within your workspace displayed here. To create your first board, look for the Create New Board button, often located at the top of the Boards page. Clicking this will lead you to a screen where you can set up your board's details. Here is where you can start customizing your project environment. Let's give your board a title. The title should be descriptive enough to immediately understand what the project is about. For instance, if you're managing a product launch, you might call it Product Launch 2025. This step is straightforward, but choosing a clear title is crucial for staying organized, especially if you manage multiple projects. After naming your board, click on the Create button. Congratulations, you've just created your first Trello board. Now it's time to start filling your board with tasks and ideas, which Trello manages through the use of cards. On your new board, select Add a Card, usually located at the bottom of each list. Creating a list could help categorize tasks such as To Do, In Progress, or Completed. Each card represents a task or an item that you want to track. Click on Add a Card and type in the task you want to accomplish. This could be anything from design new logo to update the marketing plan. And there you have it, you've just created your first Trello card. Cards can be assigned to team members, labeled with due dates, and even have attachments or checklists added to them. These features make Trello not just a task list, but a comprehensive project management tool. That wraps up our tutorial on getting started with Trello. Remember, the key to mastering Trello is to experiment and adapt the system to fit the unique needs of your projects. We hope you find these tips helpful as you start managing your projects with Trello. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.